Oh man, that's really stuck. Let's just put that back. Hey there, welcome back to Hammer's Garage. In this video, we're going to give old Winston here a fuel system in preparation for our LS swap. If you're not a subscriber yet, I would encourage you to do that. But first I gotta clean up this wreck of a shop. Well, people, this is what we're working with today. So this is a fuel tank kit, EFI kit from Holley. Comes with the tank, the pump, the sender, vent, a bunch of stuff. And then I picked up this aluminum fuel line. This tank also comes with these straps. Not sure if they'll fit or not. And then we have a bunch of fittings, filter, some other stuff, PEX clamps. I think that's what they call those. So we got a lot of work to do, but this is the fun stuff. We got to put this thing together, and we'll work on the sender first. We need to loosen these up and get it to our measurement. So, well, how is it gonna? Oh, there's nuts on the back side. Yeah, of course. Are they 5/16? No. Are they a quarter? No. Are they 11/32? No. Are they 7mm? Yes. Metric. Now I gotta take these off and take that out. I mean, why didn't they just do that for me? Okay, these screws, we gotta hold on to these, and these get discarded. I mean, this is like surgery. I feel like Doogie Howser. The wire is keeping the whole thing in shebangles. And now we take this out and we put this in. And then cut off the excess. Micro death wheel. Like it's too small to be full on death, so it's more like severe traumatic injury. Put this on. And then we put it down in here. This one is the sender, this one is the ground. Now we gotta do more math with the pump. Stay in school, kids. Do your math homework. Plan the orientation of your supply and return fittings. This way. Okay, planned. See, it says D minus 1 inch. So D is the depth, it's 10.5, minus 1 is 9.5. Okay. And what, they want that funky cut on it? I mean, I can do a funky cut now. Okay, so funky cut. We'll do a like that. Like this. Just like they have it in the picture. I mean, this stuff is no joke. Death wheel. Here we go. That goes right there. So this has to get cut here. I hope this cuts easier than the others, isn't it? This is just waiting to take my fingers off. One wrong move and I'm losing a digit. There we go. Oof, that was intense. We gotta warm that up with a heat gun, it says. And then push it on there. Okay, got the toaster pistol. We're just gonna turn this on. Melt instantly. Now let's try it right there. Oh, look, it went right on there. Fuel pump needs a blankie. Okay. good, and now they want us to zip tie this up. Let's see, this has to go down in here, like so, up through here, and 2. Okay, we'll put this gasket on, then we'll put our sock on. Put this in the hole, man. Just get in the hole. Now we need to get our fittings on here. I'll put on a little bit of this liquid thread tape. I find this stuff works pretty well. Looks like this, in case you want some. So our supply side has to be, you know, high PSI, EFI fuel hose. I have this 225 PSI hose left over from another project, so we're just going to put one of these fittings in here, which is always a nightmare. Alright, I'm going to put a little peanut butter down in here. It won't hurt nothing as far as the fuel goes, and it'll help get this thing in here. Oh, of course it went right in this time. That's not normally the case. Just made a liar out of me. Now we take our fancy tool and just squeeze this till it clicks gently. There we go. Same thing for the return. I just loop this line and then I can cut it as I need it, and then it'll leave me one piece from the middle because, you know, I'm smart like that. Should be all set to go in the truck now. All right, we got our carrier here. I cleaned it up and freshened it up a little. I didn't put a whole lot into it. I'm going to set the new shiny tank down in there. Get in there, new shiny tank. Just get down in there. There it is. A new shiny tank won't go. I don't know what's happening. Okay. We have to reevaluate this situation. Let's try. Whoops. Ow. Let's try it a different way. We put the shiny tank in like this. Well, that's not helping matters either. Let's get that. I don't. This got to go a different way or something. New shiny tank in like this. Well, that's what I was before. I'm back at ground zero. What the Hellman's mayonnaise with bacon and tomato, salt and pepper? That was oddly specific. I must be hungry. Yeah. I wonder if I just gave these a little taparoo. How about now? There you go now. What if we tried to sneak it in there? Piece of cake. Okay. Oh, this ought to be a hoot. That's a mile away. And there's nothing underneath. We got to take it back out. Take it back out. That's easier said than done. Get out. Oh, sure, you come out, no problem. That's a bunch of baloney. I need a body hammer. We're going to do some pounding. This looks like a good body hammer. Whew. That's a workout. Now let's try it again. Let me get this side in first. Wow. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I just did all that for nothing. I put these on backwards. This one is taller, should be at the tall side. Shorter, short side. Take it back out again. This one goes here. This one goes down here. Try it again. Huh. Fits exactly the way it should. Yeah, I knew this all along. I was just testing y'all. And you failed because no one said anything. There we go. We'll get ready to put this in the truck. Oh, good gracious. Just set that there. I guess I can still do the wiring, right? I'll be able to reach it. Sure. We'll go with that. Holy smokes. Throw that over. Throw that over there. Get out. Get out. Throw that over there. Bet y'all thought I forgot my vent line, didn't you? Now I got to figure out what holes it went into. Was it them? I don't know which holes it went into. I don't remember. All right, I think I figured it out. I think this is this one. I think this one goes, this bracket goes here. So if I get that to mount up, then I figure that one will just fall into place or something. It should. We'll go with that. All right, I got to change this, which means I got to get out from underneath the truck. And that really sucks. Well, you know. Oh, I could roll out this way. There's more than one way out of the escape room. We gotta fix this because I put it in the wrong hole. Get out. Now, I gotta get this lifted up to there and put a bolt in it. Let's see if I can do it by myself or if I need a James. I mean, it is empty after all, you know. It shouldn't be that hard, I wouldn't think. It's hard. Probably can't lift it up on there, huh? TV magic. Really, it was a James. Go back under here. Get this bolted up now. Oh, I was right. That's where it goes. Whoops. Whoopsie. Let's not do that. I'm going to jack this up. Let's see if I can work the jack from down here. It's working. it's working. I got one. I got one. All right, just need to get one down this end. I think that's, well, now I got to let the jack down. All right, we got it up here. Ain't got it lined up. Thanks to James. Everybody needs a James in their life. There we got one. Oh, I can't get these with the gun, I don't think. I need a knuckle. A knuckle sandwich. You're gonna get a knuckle sandwich. These two are right where we mounted this new cross member, and I can get basically no tools on it. We're gonna have to do this a 16th of a turn at a time. That's okay. I don't have anything else to do today. 3 hours later. Oh, there we go. Yay. I gotta figure out the best place to run these lines, and I kind of like this. We're going to go up the driver's side instead of crossing over because my fuel inlet on the LS is on the driver's side. This is my vent hose, so we'll just leave it laying here for now. I guess we'll get under there and get it fixed up. Let's see, that's my return. This is my supply, and I think I want to run it here to a serviceable inline filter. So I'm going to cut this here. Boom! Got my fitting on here. I'm going with a more serviceable style of clamp. I think I put it on backwards. Dang it! My inline fuel filter. We need a fuel filter. Filter out all the crap. Look, it's got an arrow on it. Fuel goes that way. Evil Energy. I mean, they gave me a sticker. I don't have any idea who these people are. This was recommended by another YouTuber. Of course, it would be made in China. Ugh. Put a little oil on here. I guess that's good. We'll find out when we turn it on. Oh yeah, that's nice. All right, I'm going to tighten this up, and then we're going to run some metal line from here up past the exhaust and into the engine bay-o. Bay-o, bay-o. Engine bay, come and she want to go home. I don't, that made no sense at all. Same basic place. And zip it, you know, the same. Zip it. We'll zip it here. Because, you know, the return line, it's just a return line. And so we're just going to run the clamps so they look the same. And I'm going to put a little Earl. Well, I was gonna, but I can't. No, I can't get it out. There's more than one way to open a thing of oil. This is actually air tool oil, but it's just a really good light oil. I'll use it for a ton of stuff. We want to put this in here. Push it all the way up. All the way, please. Thank you. All right. Now we have that. And I'm going to zip tie these two together right here. And then, boom. How about that? How about that for a boom? It's a boom. I'm going to set up my return line here with this. And we have us a out of round situation right here, which will guarantee a fuel leak. So we're going to trim us off a piece right here where it gets good. Do, 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 do. Tell me something good. It's like a switchblade. I'll just... Okay. Got our AN compression fitting here. This is super simple stuff, man. You just slide this on, and you slide this on, and then you put this in here to here, and then you slide it up, and then you tighten it down. Look at that. Professional. Like Chip Foose did it. Now we gotta get up to the engine bay. The engine I'm putting in here has a returnless intake. So we need a pressure regulator. This is my pressure regulator. It's made by Motive. I've been racking my big beautiful brain on where I want to put this in this truck, and I think I've settled on this spot right here. The problem I have is once you get these fittings on here, this regulator looks like that kid from the Christmas Story movie with the big jacket. I can't put my arms down. And so this, you know, it's wide is what I'm saying. This has to go. I don't know how we do this, but I would like it here. If it was here, I could easily adjust it, and it's at the back of the motor, and the inlet's at the back of the motor. I mean, this makes perfect sense. I could trim that, and then I think it would fit. Let me trim that, and then we'll see what we got. I'd like to meet the person that invented tape. I'm sure they're dead by now, though. The tape's been around a long time, right? Let's put some glue on some paper, roll it up, and then people can use it to stick stuff together. Sounds like a good idea. My blade's all gone. Ow, hot. Hot. Don't touch it. It's hot. Ow, it's hot. Now the battery's dead. Okay, now what? Oh, I think I can make that work. Heck yeah. Well, now I just need to get my lines out here. Okay, so we're going to cut this off right here and put an end on it. There we go. Check it out. 2 clamps, 1 screw. It looks fancy. Regulator. The regulator. And then I'm going to run some rubber, connectors here. Because the more connections you have, obviously, the less likely it is that you have leaks, So we want as many connections as possible. Crap. I left my tool over there. Now I gotta get out again. All right. Son of a biscuit eater. Made it. This wouldn't be near as enjoyable if I was organized. They need to make these screws smaller. Okay. Now we're going to put this on here. Well, I say we're going to put this on here. Are we going to put this on here? Yeah, there we go. Right there, below my finger. Below your finger. Don't take your finger off. Stupid. There we go. Now this goes here. Look, itty bitty vacuum caps from an itty bitty vacuum thingy. We'll just put that right there. That looks good. It's blue too. It matches. That's cool. Well, folks, I'm short one fitting because apparently counting to like 6 escapes me. And in the meantime, I'm going to tape off these open holes. Now, I will say, I think this is going to be okay where it is. If I'm worried about anything, it's the shift linkage. I'm pretty sure the exhaust will clear. But hey, if y'all are seeing some sort of pitfall that I ain't seeing, please do put it in the comments, you know, before I get the motor in here. That would be awful nice of you. Sure would appreciate it, y'all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Some people like fire. I'm fascinated by tape. Hey, Fred. And Wilma. What's going on? Bum, 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 bum. Ain't there another way I can get out of here? I'm tired of rolling around on the floor. Let me try this. Oh, I'm sure this will work. There's plenty of ledge here, right? Like this. Oh, I shouldn't have tried it. I shouldn't have tried this. No problem whatsoever. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you real soon.